Hey guys, it's Kia here and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. If not, welcome. Well, today what I'm going to be talking about is my February favorites. I didn't think people would really want to see them from me. However, there are some things that I truly have loved. Not even just this month of February. Some of these things I've had before the month of February, and some of them I got in the beginning of February. And when I say I have not put them down nonstop, I have not put them down nonstop. Like, I use them almost, I think I use everything that I have every single day, except for two of the products which I use every couple of days, which are skincare products. So I'm gonna, cut the chatting out, and we're gonna get into this video. I want to start off with skincare. As I've gotten older, I've been trying to be better at my skincare and my skincare regimen. Two products that I just, ever since I've gotten my hands on them, I have used them daily. One product I use daily, one product I use every, let's say, 2 days, which are the St. Ives mask or scrubs. The one that I love, both of them equally. I use the St. Ives Energizing Coconut and Coffee Scrub only as a scrub. I have not used this as a mask. I've only used it as a scrub. And when I say at night, when I take off all this makeup and I just massage my skin, I feel like it is clean as a baby's bottle when I finish with this. However, I will say it is very rough, so I can't do it as often as I like. So I've been doing it every 2 to 3 days, maybe every 3 days. I tried to do every other day, and I felt like that was a little too harsh on my skin. So now I've been doing it like every 3rd day. So I'll do it, 2 days will go by, then I'll do it again. But I love this product in conjunction with the St. Ives Gentle Soothing Oatmeal Scrub and Mask. It has a gentle exfoliating, but I only use it as a mask. I put this on after I do, either by itself on the days I just wash my face, or I put it on after I do, especially after I do the scrub, because I feel like it just soothes my face so that it doesn't feel as scratchy or as irritated as it does with just the scrub. But this as a mask, oh my god, and it smells so good. But I love this. My girlfriend put me onto both of these products, and I have been using them since the day I bought them. At night, what I use, Isano Rosehip Oil with acai berry. I love this stuff. This is my first month using this brand with acai berry in it, but I've been using rosehip oil for like the last year, and that's what this looks like right here. I've been using rosehip oil on my skin and definitely my toddler's skin because it's gentle, but he has really dry skin, and I like that heavy feel that it doesn't really give a heavy feel. I feel like it seeps into the skin quick enough, unlike vitamin E oil and those heavier oils, but I feel like it gives me a lasting, I've been noticing more elasticity in my skin where it looks youthful, if that makes any sense. So using this at night, I used to use it in the morning, but I felt like it was too much in the morning, so now I only use it at night for me. Now if I don't wear any makeup during the day, I definitely put this on in the morning after I wash my face, and then I'll just go about my day. But at night before I go to bed, I've been using this a lot. This is great. Not just this, I love this brand, but just rosehip oil, period. I have been loving the e.l.f. Sun Kits Booster Drops, which are these right here. I included these in my e.l.f. video. I've had these for about almost 4 weeks now. But ever since I tried them and put them on, I love it. I love that one right after I do my moisturization, I go on with this product, and I love that it gives me that moisturized but tacky feel. So I feel like when I put my foundation on after, it just, sticks to it and it's not moving. So once I put it on, it sticks. But I love that. I think that even without it, it gives me a little dew or a little glow. But definitely I love it for the fact that my foundation can stick to it and it's hydrating as well. So this is the e.l.f. Booster Drops in Sun Kiss. I think it's called Sun Kiss Glow. And that's that. My brows. Everybody knows I have always been a brow girl. If my brows are not laid in the first thing, I can't do my makeup. I do my brows first before I do my foundation. I have tried to do them after, it just does not work. So two products that I've been loving for months have been the Ulta Beauty Ultra Slim Brow Pencil in Espresso, in conjunction with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Matte Primer. Now, I use these two together. I have very, very, very oily eyebrows. So I put just a dab of this on both of my eyebrows prior to, you know, filling them in. And then I fill them in with a pencil. Oh my God, it's like godsend. I definitely love this for my eyebrows. This is my new favorite. I've been using this for like the last 2 months, 2-3 months, but I've been using this pencil forever. I like these together. I like that it keeps my brows matte all day. I have no problem. The pencil's easy to glide on over top of it. It doesn't give you a cakiness to it. You don't need a whole lot. I use literally like a little pea size. And I put it in between both of my fingers, and then I massage it onto my eyebrows. Let that sit and dry, and then go in with the pencil. When I say give it a try, you will love it. I promise you, you will love it, especially for my girls that have oily eyebrows. Now, my favorite sponge outside of any sponge that I've been using, and I love me my Sonia Kashuk sponge, I would definitely have to say my e.l.f. Beauty Blender. It's so soft and so bouncy. I feel like it just gives me my fresh, light makeup days. Not even light. I can get almost a full coverage. I have to go in with 2 layers. I can get a medium to full coverage with this sponge. But this sponge has been my top sponge since the Beauty Blender. Since the Beauty Blender. I am not in the market to be spending $20 for a sponge that does not last as long as it used to. And I don't know if anybody else has had that problem with Beauty Blender. When I first started purchasing Beauty Blender a couple of years ago, it lasted forever. Now I feel like when I go in, depending on the sponge I pick up, even the same color sponges, all the textures are not the same. They rip a lot easier. I've had this for a good 2 months and it has not ripped anything, and I'm rough when it comes to cleaning my sponges, but this has been like heaven sent in a box. I definitely, every time I go to the store, I pick up another sponge. So I have about 5 or 6 of them now, but I love this sponge. Also, to apply makeup, I've been loving the new EcoTools set, which looks like this. They're like the flat top kabuki. Not even kabuki. They're like the flat top brushes. You get a buffing brush. You get an ultimate coverage brush, and you get an ultimate pop brush, which I haven't used this one brush because I have not mastered cream contouring, but I've tried it with powder, but it was a little too heavy for me, but I definitely want to try it with cream contouring. But these 2 brushes I definitely use all the time. If I'm not using my e.l.f. sponge, I am definitely using these brushes. I love the way this just buffs foundation into the skin. It's so soft. And it just buffs it in with ease. And I love going in to to do my eyelids, to buff concealer out around my eyebrows and buff my concealer under my eye. These 2 brushes are amazing. I wasn't a big fan of EcoTools for a while. I had picked up like a sponge a year or 2 ago. I think it was like a year ago, not even probably a year ago. I picked up a sponge and it was just not where it's at. But I definitely tried to give these a try. I saw them, they were new. I looked online for reviews. I hadn't seen anybody talk about them, but I wanted to come show you guys some really good brushes. I think I got them from Ulta. I think they were on sale for like $16.99, and then I used my $3.50 coupon code and got them. So it was great. I definitely love them. Now, eyeshadow. I'm just getting into eyeshadow, y'all, so don't come for me, don't play me. I'm working on it. I'm a neutral girl, but I've been loving color. And with that being said, I've been definitely loving this BH Cosmetic Zodiac Love Sign palette. You get 24 eyeshadows and 1 highlight. I'm gonna open it up so you guys can see what it looks like. You get 12 highlighting shades and 12 matte shades on the inside. And every zodiac sign has a color. Definitely been playing around with this. I love that they're soft. They go on pretty well. Today's look, I use this palette. I did the Aquarius eyeshadow with the matte shade, corresponding matte shade. And then I also went in with Capricorn as well. So I did those 3 blue shades because I wanted to try out blue today. I really love this palette. While I was in the store, I saw the Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder and Banana. And when I say I love this powder, it's like not too yellow, not too white. It's like it's a yellow color. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oops. It's a yellow color, but it's finely milled. It goes on really smooth. It doesn't look cakey on my skin. This has been like my go-to powder every freaking day. I will recommend this to anybody in the drugstore to give this powder a try. For my mascara, everybody knows I use a concoction of mascaras. I use about 3, but lately I have not because I've just been lazy. I usually still go in with my eyeshadow. I usually go in with my mascara primer, but lately all I've been using is this Rimmel London Wonderfully Real mascara, and that's this right here. And I got this in extreme black, waterproof. This is what I have on my eyelids today, my mascara today. I use this every day. I feel like I love the volume that it gives. I love the length. I already have long lashes, but it gives me just the length, the volume, everything. This is, I don't think I need another mascara at all. At all. At all. Like, I just love it. And lastly, my new favorite lippies have been the e.l.f. Liquid Matte Lipstick in Coffee. It's just this brown, it's like a coffee. It's not as dark as coffee, but it's like a nude shade on me. It matches my skin tone perfectly. I have not found a nude that I've loved more than this. And normally I walk around with just a nude matte, or I go on top and top it with the Lip Plumping Gloss by e.l.f. in Champagne Glam. And I think these two together are a match made in heaven. I definitely will be going to get some more because I want to definitely have some in backup, because I don't have a nude that matches me this well, where I don't have to put a liner on and it still looks good. Oh, let me tell you, the Morphe Setting Mist, Continuous Setting Mist, is like a godsend. I do not like paying the $16 for it, but I think it's worth every single dollar. Like, if it always feels like it's nothing in this bottle, like when I pick it up to buy it, I'm just like, I feel like I'm not getting anything. But when I say just the smell of it, the way it mists your face, the continuous mist, it don't feel like it's like, you know how sometimes when you spray it's like ksh, ksh, and it just like shocks you. This is like the best thing ever. Before this, I used to use the Evian water, but it didn't really set your face, so I stopped buying that. But now that this is out, I will definitely be using this. And because I love it so much, I'm ready to give Morphe a go with trying other products. The only thing I have of Morphe is their setting spray. I have a lipstick that I love. I have an eyeshadow palette and some brushes. And I only think I have like 3 brushes. But I definitely want to do a full face of Morphe just because I want to try everything. So yes, definitely give this a try. So that is all I have for the month of February. I hope you guys will try out some of these products and let me know down below what you think of them. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I will continue to bring you more content. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.